Welcome to this Nano Trainings session featuring the database Kluwer Arbitration. Arbitration is one of Middle Temple Library's specialisms, and we prioritize the acquisition of resources for this practice area. The library maintains a collection of domestic and international arbitration resources, including the database Kluwer Arbitration. Kluwer Arbitration offers full text access to over 20 journals and approximately 400 books. This includes leading practitioner texts such as Redfern and Hunter on international arbitration, and International Commercial Arbitration by Gary Bourne. Arbitrational proceedings and awards can be searched by the arbitration rules as well as the sector. The database includes over 12,000 decisions and proceedings. To search for a case, either use the filters on the left or search via keyword or the case identifier. The details section of the case provides information about the case's status and dates of proceedings. There is also a section featuring the representatives that were involved. Click on the case name to bring up information about the sector, applicable arbitration rules, and the seat of arbitration. The citation feature indicates how many awards have cited this case. Practical guidance tools are available which consist in guiding you through the arbitration process. Access to Kluwer Arbitration is available within the library. Practicing Middle Temple members can inquire about remote access to the database. Please contact the library for more information.